How to remove volume limit on Samsung devices. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove volume limit on Samsung devices. So it's in quite an easy process. So first I want you to just enable or just turn up or turn off the volume so that you can see this volume settings, or you can also actually search in for volume settings directly from your settings. So this is an shortcut method, so I want you to do this and click on this three dot icon over here and just head over to the settings of your sound. And once you're inside here, you can see there's a three dot icon. Once again, just tap on this and you will see the media volume limit. Now select it, and once you're inside here, as you can see, it's currently turned off, so that is the reason you are not able to control the limit. So once you enable it, you can basically break the limit line just like this. Even when you are using bluetooth earbuds on your ear, you should be listening music on the max volume possible. So that is exactly how you can easily remove volume limit on Samsung devices. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.